Hey there, car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the so exciting world of car modifications, because you know why settle for a stock car when you can spend all your money on aftermarket goodies. Let's jump right in, shall we? First up, we have aftermarket parts, because let's face it, your car is just dying to have an oversized spoiler and a body kit that practically scrapes every speed bump. These mods are sure to make your car stand out, even if it means attracting the attention of every traffic cop in town. Now let's get our hands dirty with some good old DIY mods. Who needs professional help when you can tackle it all yourself? Just be prepared for a few mishaps and the occasional swear word, but hey, it's all part of the fun, right? Performance upgrades, because who doesn't want to transform their mundane ride into a speed demon? Be ready to break the sound barrier with those engine modifications and turbochargers. Just don't forget to tell your neighbors to invest in some earplugs. Now, let's talk about aesthetics, because let's be honest, it's all about looks, isn't it? Vinyl wraps, custom paint jobs, and flashy wheels will make your car the envy of everyone around. Just make sure you're okay with people taking more pictures of your car than of their own family members. Car meets and events, where you can proudly show off all your mods and be judged by your fellow car enthusiasts. It's like a popularity contest, but instead of high school, it's all about who has the shiniest car and the loudest exhaust. Can't wait to see who wins the crown of Supreme Car God this time. And let's not forget the digital side of car modifications. Virtual tuning software, because why bother touching a wrench when you can virtually slap on a body kit and pretend you're a master tuner? Just make sure your computer screen doesn't get jealous of all the attention your virtual ride is getting. Well, that's it for today's episode on car modifications. Because let's be real, who needs a stock car when you can spend all your time, money, and sanity on making it uniquely yours? Don't forget to let us know in the comments if you've fallen victim to the modification madness. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more sarcastic yet entertaining content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be delving into the world of ridiculously customized car builds. Until then, may your mods be wild and your sarcasm even wilder.